Hey everybody, this is the Fine Bros. I spent like an hour trying to poop myself. And I'd also like to say just thank you all for all the positive comments and stuff. Like sometimes I'll check my phone, I'll just hear noise puppet. Yummy muff. Here is my collection of things. Got some VHS tapes. Got a ton of movies, so I have basically all games. But I would really like to see Perfect Home.
Right now I could go for some orange or some sex.
Speedy.
Hey, it's time to do that ancient love.
Well, that's all.